Mikä sinun nimesi on?
Mikä
Mikä sinun nimesi on? Mikä sinun nimesi on? It's okay. Mitä? And how old are you is kuinka vanha olet?
Ikä.
Kuinka vanha olet? Kuinka vanha olet? How old are you?
Kuinka
Vanha. Can I write it, you know?
Yes, of course, please.
Really? It's like... This is hard. Wait a moment.
But we can repeat. Hey. Hey means hello. I think that's the best word for all of us to remember. Hey.
Or terve.
Terve.
But the question what Sini is writing now, never ask that question from the ladies. You can ask it from men, but not from the girls.
You're right.
So... Oh, it's on the right. It's here. I wrote in the wrong place. But how old are you? Kuinka vanha olet?
Kuinka vanha olet?
Better, yeah? And goodbye, it's like heippa.
Heippa.
Now I'm going heippa.